Yo. What's good, Jeezy? All right, now. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Hey, Jeezy man, what's good, bro? Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good, man. How you doing? All right, yeah, I'm good. All right, yeah. Nah, I'm just coming in, check on some things. What's up? Hey, I got a question, man. When you gonna cut that off? What, you don't like it? Bro, I think you should just go right back to waving. Come on, bro, everybody's saying that. I mean, it's cool, what you're doing is cool and all, but you know, I was talking to my man right here and we both was just thinking that you should just really just go back to the waves, bro. That ain't working. Man, what you talking about? This look good. Bro, you're looking like a chia pet. Come on now. You got the little baby hairs in the front. Come on, man. Cut that off, man. Go back to the waves. Hey, I hate seeing you like this. Come on, man. It ain't that bad. I just hate seeing you like this. I'm trying to help you out. I'm just trying to help you out. But if you want to do your thing, go ahead. Do your thing. All you doing is doing what everybody else is saying. Everybody want me to come back to the waves, bro. Chill with all that. Well, ask your boy. Ask your boy how he feeling. I told you I just talked to him. Bro, what you think? Jeezy, what you think I should do? You know what? Hello? For real? Yes. No, I'm on my way. Oh, you gonna act like you got a call. My mother is lonely at the house with my father, so.
What?
I'm just gonna go check on her.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
How your mom gonna be at home alone with your father? See, that's what I'm talking about. You see, your man don't even want to talk about it, man. Listen to me, okay? Just cut it off, bro. Man, I'm out of here, man. What you talking about? I'm gonna keep this, man. Matter of fact, what you doing here anyway, bro? We shut down, okay? You're not even supposed to be cutting hair. My hair is looking real crazy right now. Crazy. But first, man, we gonna start off with a washing style. Try to get everything to lay down. But I know my hair is gonna be looking crazy because it's not cut to lay down. You know, it's cut to be in an afro. So I gotta tame this thing real quick. Let's do the washing style real quick. So right now, it's looking pretty good, man. It's looking like my waves is coming in. That's due to me having long hair. So whenever you have a good amount of hair on your head, man, and you reach your wave length, your hair is gonna automatically curl, man. Especially if you keep brushing it. So right now, I'm gonna just keep brushing it until I can get as many waves to form as possible. So let's go. So the thing about it is, I'm not expecting to have like a great set of waves, you know what I mean? Because I'm just now starting, but I should have a decent set of waves though by the time I'm done with this. So I'm about to rag up and basically wash this shampoo out of my hair with my do-rag on. This is the first time, it's the first time I'm ragged up in a long time. Let me see if I still got it. Little rusty. Never leave your flap down. Never leave your flap down. Flap always go up. All right, man. Dang, I'm kind of looking like my old self right now. I know y'all like, finally! I know y'all feeling that way, but hey, listen. This is just to see if I could do it, all right? So let me take a shower and wash this out, all right? I'll be back in about, you guys won't know anyway. All right, you guys. So I got it all washed out of my hair. And I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm about to use the blow dryer and just speed up this process because I don't want to wait. All right, let's go. HustleDreamProduction. Alright you guys, so now that that's out of the way, my hair is kind of dry. It's the only thing that's not dry is like this knot right here, this line. It's kind of damp, but hey, we're gonna keep moving forward, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with right now. Now it might look crazy, so yeah, don't my lineup look crazy and my taper is crazy. That's because I just laid everything down. Ooh. Hey, I didn't think I was gonna have waves. Like I said, I'm looking crazy, but still. Hey, real talk, I didn't think I was gonna have waves like that. Ooh, they kind of coming in though. Why you playing? Dang. Ooh, okay. Okay. So right now, I'm about to put some product in my hair, put some seasick pomade. Matter of fact, I got it right here. I need some heavy duty pomade, all right, to lay my hair down and just get the waving process going. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna just probably like brush for 15 minutes, rag up, go do something else, brush for another 15 minutes, rag up, do something else, brush for, so this is throughout the whole process. So y'all see this light in the background. It's gonna start getting dimmer and dimmer and dimmer because I'm gonna be doing this all day, all right? So without further ado, let's start the process, man. Let's go.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, so this is the first session. I'm gonna rag up with my Ocean Views do-rag, and I'll finish cleaning up the house or something. So I'm just gonna do something else real quick. Let this do-rag just kind of compress my hair down a little bit. Then I'll get back to brushing in a little bit, alright? Alright, so it's been an hour or so. Let's get another session in. Man, my arms, I'm telling you, my arms ain't what it used to be. Let's go, I'll be back. Yo.
Yo, first and foremost, I'm gonna say HustleDreamProduction put the game on the map, bruh.
What you mean?
Bruh, my beats be elevating your videos, dog.
Oh yeah. YouTube, that's it. That's it, all right? At first, I was gonna just try to see, you know, if I could get waves. I was just gonna try to just like basically make this a video of me trying to get waves with the hairstyle I got, and then eventually go back to that hairstyle. But to be honest with y'all, man, I'm loving like being back brushing my hair, and just doing this kind of made me miss waving, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep it. Listen, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Listen, let all the wavers know. Share this video. I'm coming back, all right? I'm playing no games right now. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out. Peace.